Hi my friends, and welcome back to our structured text language tutorial, and in this lesson we will continue convert our ladder diagram to structured text. Let's start with a timer, and let me quickly explain you our project. So my friends, we have a timer and we want to set it, for example, to 3 seconds. We have the input for enable our timers, and we have the PT for timer times, PT, and we have the AT for the ET, sorry, for the timer time, real time, and our output is the Q. So let's start write our programs, and let's delete this one. And what we have here, my friends, firstly we have the timer. It's the, let's use the tone timer here, and we have the, let's delete this one, add here key 1 and set it to bool variable, and also delete this one, also bool, and let's declare the timer my time, and use the tone. And so let's start our programs here. So my friends, first we must initialize our timer, and we use the my time, PT, and as I said before, we set it for 3 seconds. K1, my time, and dot Q. Now let's start our logic. Online login, online run. Okay, first we must start our timer. For this purpose we change the S1 from the false to true, and let's write our data, right? And after 3 seconds our K1 is true. So my friends, let's now create the automatic restart timer, and let's close logout, and here what we will do, we must use for the timer, for automatic restart timer, first we must use the normal close contact here, and we will use the Q output of our timer here. For example, if our timer is name is the T3, and we use here Q to automatically restart our timers. And now my friends, let's try to write a program which will use the automatic restarting of our timer. So my friends, let's try write our program with automatic restart timer. Let's delete this one, and we also use my timer, my time. And my friends, for the in parameters we will not use the S1, we use the my time dot Q, and let's set the PT for the 10 seconds. PT is equal to T and 10 seconds. I think 10 seconds is more. Let's use the 5 seconds. And after that we set our K1 for the my time Q. Login and run. And firstly, my friends, I think we must okay, we cannot change this value and we cannot change this value here, but we need to start our timer for the first time. Sorry, we made one mistake here. Okay, let's stop, and we must use here not, because my friends, if we are not used not, our timer is not started. So let's build again and login and run. In is true now. Yes, you see that the timer is changed here and then return to its initial state. If you notice that our timer is changed. So my friends, that's all for today, and I wish you good health and good life. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. For our next lesson we will continue to convert our ladder logic to STL language, and at the end of this topic we will build the traffic light control.